If you see an attachment upload failed error in Trello, you won't be able to upload files to your cards. Yeah, this can happen because of file size limits, connection issues, or browser problems. But don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll show you several fixes that usually solve the problem. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Uploading files requires a consistent connection, and interruptions can cause the upload to fail. Next, verify that your file meets Trello's size and format limits. Large files or unsupported formats may not upload successfully. Sometimes a simple refresh can fix temporary upload issues. Reload the page and try uploading the file again. If the problem continues, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted data can interfere with file uploads. Some browser extensions, like ad blockers or privacy tools, can block file uploads. Try disabling extensions and then upload the file again. If the issue still isn't fixed, try uploading the file using a different browser or device. This helps determine whether the issue is specific to your current setup. And that's it. One of these fixes usually resolves the Trello attachment upload failed error. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech tutorials.